Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Denny and this is my October empties. So I have quite a bit of empties. I usually do a total of all the products that I use, and I also give you a running total of what I've used all year long. And some of these products are not new products to you guys. I kind of am a person of routine who uses a lot of the same products, so you will see some of those same products. So for soap, Carlos used this Dial coconut water soap. We switch back and forth between different Dial soaps. We like them. Me personally, I think this one is a nice scent, but I like the lavender the best. I also have an empty of the Pure Silk. This is the coconut and oat flower. I got this at Dollar Tree. I like this guy. It feels really soft and makes your skin feel silky, so I do like it. Carlos ended up using also the Irish Spring Bar soap. He likes these. I feel that they dry my skin out, but I keep getting them for him, or he has a pack that has a bunch of them for him. The other thing that I have is some feminine wash. This is the Vagisil feminine wash, and this is a staple, so I always get it. Then I have a couple of mouthwash things. Carlos gave me his Equate anti-cavity mouthwash, and this is supposed to be like Listerine, but just the Equate brand one. He likes this stuff. It's a freshman that he likes a lot. And then for myself, I use the Reach Essentials, and this one is like a 6-in-1. I really like this, and it's only $1, so I don't mind getting it. Then I have a big old hand soap. We use the coconut ginger hand soap. I usually don't really care to get like a name brand one, so we'll get the Equate one. It's just as good as the Dial one. At least to me, that's my opinion. Then we have some toothpaste. This is the Crest. This is like my favorite, which is the Radiant Mint. Oh, I did have another body wash. This one is the Rise by Beyonce perfume body wash, so use that guy up. So let's talk about hair stuff. I have a Batiste dry shampoo. This one is in Floral Flirty Blush. I love this scent. Used it up when my hair was straight, so yes, definitely will always get the Batiste because I do like it a lot. More hair stuff. This right here is the Salon Selectives Instant Repair Leave-In Conditioner. I get this at the Dollar Tree and I love it. Right here I have a sample size of some foundation. This is the Makeup Forever foundation in Y335, which is perfect match to me, and I used it all, or at least there's some in here, but I can't get it out. This is a pump, and when I try to finagle it to get it out, it doesn't want to come out, so it's empty. But I do like this a lot, and I already got another sample of it, so I'm excited about that. So then I have a few odd things that I have in here that were used up, like this hydrocortisone cream, and it's had a rash a while ago when I came back from Gen Beauty, and I kind of used up a whole tube of this Equate hydrocortisone, so I do recommend when you have itching or anything like that, get some of this. It's good. I had a lot of aches and pains this month with my legs, my knees, so I ended up using the Tiger Balm pain relief patches, and I love these guys. They feel so good, and they like really penetrate into your skin. I got this through a Daily Goodies box, and I know that these come in a box of 5, I think, and it's like $4.99. I definitely do like these a lot, and will look into getting some more, especially if you have a lot of aches and pains in your knees or joints and things like that. My husband wears it on his shoulder, you know, whenever he has pain. These are good. Like I was saying, there was a lot of aches and pains, and my husband as well, he was in a lot of pain as well. He does a lot of heavy lifting with our church and putting things together, and sometimes he just gets pain, so I ended up getting some of the dollar store brand patches. Like, these are the Azorbine Junior. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but these are supposed to be pain relief patches, and we both tested this out and they are not as good as these guys. This kind of just really penetrates. These kind of just cool down. They're like more of a like a icy hot type of feeling to them, and they kind of unstick themselves. Where the Tiger Balms, they stay stuck on you for a good while. These kind of, if you move around a lot, they'll just fall off. So I don't really truly recommend this if you're going to be walking around, more so if you're just going to be laying down. And I ended up testing out another one from the dollar store. I said, can I get these a little cheaper? So this is a 2-pack from the Coralite Muscle and Joint Pain Relief Patch. And these were equally as good. These really stick. They stick like a band-aid actually, and they're really nice. So these are a little bit more, I would say they're comparable to this, but this is like so much more penetrating than this is. These are, I don't know how to explain it. Like, this is just if you need something quick and in a fix. This is more like stronger, if that makes sense. So yeah, ended up trying all of those out, and you know, for my strange stuff. So I have in here a empty of the big cotton rounds that I had picked up in Canada. What I will say about these cotton rounds, which you can't see, but I wish I had one to show you. I'll probably just insert. Actually, I have 2 packs of these. They're big and they're the perfect size. They're just really rough. I think they're better for removing nail polish than for your face. I felt like for your face is too abrasive, so I don't recommend these for your face. But they're a unique brand, and actually they're like the size of this cardboard. And yeah, so we use those and it was different. I also have a pack of the Ricky's Care travel wipes. I didn't care for these too much. They were just wipes, and Ricky's is no longer doing anything, so it doesn't even matter. Then the next thing that I have in here were some Bolero wipes. These are like my favorite facial wipes, and these were in the coconut oil and sea salt, which were nice. I like them. I ended up doing 2 of the Crystal Collagen eye patches. These I get from Amazon. Really love these. I'm running low on this brand, but I recently got a gift from one of my friends here, and she sent me gold eye patches, so I'm loving that I have more patches. Those are a staple. I will definitely go back to Amazon and pick up some more because they're really good. Then we have several different nail packages. We have Naillicious nails that I use. They had like a French manicure to them. I use these ones that were called Edge. And these had like a zebra print over pink and black. And then I had another Naillicious that was like a maroon and like to orange, so like those a lot. And then I also use the Enchanted LA Colors one and the blood red ones, like those. And then some of the Sassy and Chic glow in the dark ones. These were oddly shaped. They were kind of really big for my nail bed, and they were long. So this was like a weird nail for myself, because my nail bed is kind of, it's long, but my fingernail is actually thin. So these were kind of wide for my fingers, which I know for other people might be super perfect because not everyone has the same size of nail bed. And then I have in here some glue, my tried and true glue. This is what I use for my nails from the Dollar Tree. Another glue that possibly came from the Naillicious. Then I have some eye cream. I used a whole little pot of the Believe Aqua Bomb. I don't know how I feel about this, to be honest. I feel that it's nice because it's a moisturizer for under your eyes, but I don't think that it changes the color or if you have dark circles or anything like that. I truly think this is just like for moisturizing so that you don't get wrinkles. So for that, I will say it's perfect. Also, it doesn't come with a whole lot because if you see the bottom, yeah, we're not getting a lot. But I did like it, and I have another one that I started on. Then in this pot, I had the Tatcha Dewy something or another. I'll put it on the bottom. It was a mask by Tatcha, which was really, really nice. Super expensive in its full size, so getting a sample of it at Sephora was kind of decent, and it actually was really nice on my skin. You guys already know how I feel about face masks, so no surprise here with face masks. I did have another pack of nails. These were like blue and yellow and things like that that I ended up using. And I guess we're to the face mask section of my bag here. We have here Dermovia Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask that we got in BoxyCharm. So for me, I hated this because it hurt my forehead a lot. Peeling it really hurt, but my husband loved it, and my mom also got the same thing, so she gave my husband the other set so he can do these guys. I didn't enjoy. If you do enjoy peeling things off of your face and you're not afraid of pain, then I would say get it. If you don't, then if you have a fuzzy face like I do, don't even think about it. Then the next mask that I have here is from Avatara, and it's the Even Out face mask. Use this. It was okay. It wasn't something to write home about, but it was okay. Then I use one of the Milk Ampules mask. I like these a lot. They really are soothing on your face and they feel really nice. Then Carlos did a peel off mask, and these are the Seventh Heaven ones. One thing I will say about this is that you see how blue that face is? That's not how it gets. It's really like a translucent blue. He seems not to mind, and he really likes peel off masks, so I will keep on getting peel offs for him. And then from Halaka, I used the cucumber mask. This one was a nice one as well. Definitely will always do those. Then I have here a collagen mask. I believe this was from the ones that I purchased through Shop Miss A. Liked the collagen. Also like the tea tree one that was also from Shop Miss A. Really liked it. Then I tested out a hyaluronic one. This is also from Shop Miss A. Like that one. But there's no surprise with face masks that I would like them. And since they were only $1, I would always get them. Now, this one right here is the Pumpkin Aid, and this is from Mediheal. I got this from a gift through my friend Sarah, Beauty Obsession, and this was the first and only mask that fit my face perfectly. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It just fit my face perfectly, and it felt really good, and it smelled exactly like real pumpkin. Not artificial pumpkin spice or anything like that, but real pumpkin, and I enjoyed it a whole lot. I don't know where I can get these, but I do like them. Then I tested out the Eau de Rose sheet mask, and this is the Jean Pierre or Jean Pierre. It was good. I do like rose mask, but it didn't have a rose scent, so who knows. Then I did a AM mask from Meg. I've had this for quite a while. It was a Purity and Glow one. I don't think that my face looked any glowier, but it did feel really nice. I did it in the morning. But yeah, it was a good mask, but I don't know if this is worth going an extra mile to get a AM mask. And then the last one that I tested out from the mask is from Purlisse, and this one I was dying to try out. It was the watermelon mask. It's an energizing one. Really enjoyed this one, and I have a few more that I just like using, so I will definitely use this, and my face felt really hydrated after this. So then the last thing that I have in here is a hair mask, and it's from Hask. Is the Orchid and White Truffle. Like this guy, it smells really nice, and I'm glad I got it. And a loofah, which I forgot to talk about. These loofahs I get at Walmart, and they're like the men's ones, which have like the better grip to them for some reason, and they don't fall apart as easily, but then again they're a little bit more expensive. I don't know. In any case, that was everything that I used up in October, and then my total is $141 with 65 cents. And my running total for the full year to date, and we still have two more months to go. My full total was $1,599 with 87 cents, which is amazing. I'm trying to get to $2,000 in products spent. Who knows? I still have perfumes that need to be panned and so many other things that need to just be finished up. We will see next month how much I have. I hope that you enjoyed this Empties. If you did, go ahead and express that by giving me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, if you haven't entered my monthly mystery giveaway, go ahead and do that. It's linked down below. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.